Hello and welcome to our channel where we cover all things fintech. Today we're going to talk about neobanks. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. First, we'll explain what neobanks are and how they work. Next, we'll explain why people love them so much. Finally, we'll look at some of the examples of the most popular neobanks around the world. Consumers of all age groups are becoming increasingly aware of the benefits of digital banking. And many are switching to neobanks to take advantage of the better user experience, lower fees, and more innovative services. However, Monzo has a slightly different approach. Instead of focusing on the mobile app, Monzo emphasizes building a community among its users. Monzo organizes regular meetups and events for its customers and also has a social media feed within its app, where users can share their experiences and tips. Unlike Chime, Current does not offer a savings account, but instead focuses on providing a full suite of banking services, including checking accounts, credit cards, and loans. One example is Tanza, a Japanese neobank that was founded in 2017. Tanza offers a range of banking services. Fighter offers a variety of banking services, including savings accounts, credit cards, and personal loans. Fighter also has a social aspect to it, allowing users to connect with friends and family within the app and make joint purchases. Let us know in the comments section below if there are any other neobanks that you would like us to cover in future videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss an episode. Thanks for watching. Including current accounts, savings accounts, and credit cards. Each of these neobanks offers a unique blend of financial services and innovative features that cater to the evolving needs of consumers. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more neobanks emerge and provide even more creative solutions for managing our finances. What sets Tanza apart is its focus on financial management. The app includes features such as a net worth tracker, goal-based investing, and a receipt scanner, helping users develop good financial habits. Current also offers a unique feature called the spending limit, which allows customers to set a daily limit for their debit card purchases, helping them avoid overspending. Overall, the shift towards neobanking is a clear indication of the changing consumer behavior and the growing demand for digital financial services. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovation in the banking industry, with neobanks at the forefront. In this episode, we'll be covering the following 3 points. We'll start with N26, a German neobank that was founded in 2013. N26 offers a range of banking services, including current accounts, savings accounts, and credit cards. One of the standout features of N26 is its user-friendly mobile app, which allows customers to easily track their spending, set budgets, and receive real-time notifications, but sets itself apart by offering a high-yield savings account and by providing early access to paycheck deposits. Chime also does not charge monthly overdraft or ATM fees and partners with a large network of 5 free ATMs, making it a great option for those looking to save money on banking fees. N26 also offers a virtual card feature which allows customers to generate single-use card numbers for online purchases, providing an additional layer of security. Let's start with the first question. What exactly is a neobank? The primary reason for the rise of these digital-only banks is the rapid pace of technological change and the growing preference among consumers to use technology to meet their financial needs. Consumers are no longer satisfied with the limited services and lengthy processes offered by traditional banks, and they want faster, more convenient, and more transparent alternatives. For example, opening a bank account used to involve visiting a physical branch, filling out lengthy documents, and meeting strict requirements. However, with neobanks, opening an account can be done entirely online in just a few minutes, with minimal documentation. Similarly, transferring funds between accounts used to involve multiple steps and high transaction fees. But now with neobanks, customers can transfer funds instantly and for a nominal fee. This has led to a surge in the popularity of neobanks among millennials and Gen Z, who are tech-savvy and prefer to conduct their banking activities on their smartphones. In fact, a recent survey conducted by Statista found that nearly 35% of U.S. consumers had at least one account with a challenger bank in 2021, up from just 10% in 2017. Another survey conducted by Accenture found that 43% of Gen Z and 52% of millennials were interested in using neobanks, compared to only 27% of baby boomers. A neobank, or a digital-only bank, is an online-based bank that provides financial services without any physical branches. Instead of having physical branches, neobanks operate entirely via smartphone apps, which offer a superior user experience thanks to features such as in-app chat support, spending analysis tools, instant transaction notifications, and much more. Neobanks typically partner with licensed banks or leverage existing banking infrastructure to offer services such as savings accounts, checking accounts, and debit cards. But they also tend to offer additional services like peer-to-peer payments, bill payments, budgeting tools, direct deposits, and more. Unlike traditional banks, neobanks do not charge monthly maintenance fees for their services and instead generate revenue by charging interest on consumer deposits or by selling financial data to third parties. Now that we know what a neobank is, let us move on to the second part of the video and find out why neobanks are becoming so popular. But it's not just the younger generation that is turning to neobanks. Okay, now that we know what neobanks are and why they're becoming so popular, let us move on to the last part of the video and look at some of the most popular neobanks around the world. Next, we have Monzo, a British neobank that was founded in 2015. Monzo offers similar services to N26, including current accounts, savings accounts, and credit cards. Moving on, we have Chime, an American neobank that was founded in 2013. Chime offers basic banking services such as checking and savings accounts. Another neobank worth mentioning is Current, which is also based in the United States. Outside of the United States, Europe, and the UK, Asia is also home to several popular neobanks. Another Asian neobank worth mentioning is Fider, which operates in several countries including India, Indonesia, and Thailand. These are just a few examples of the many neobanks that are popping up around the world, and that's all for today's episode.